Bismillah. Welcome to Think Math. Today, a logarithmic function question, IB style. Consider the function f of x equals log base k of the quantity 8 plus 2x minus x squared, where a is less than x is less than b, and k is greater than 1. The graph of f has vertical asymptotes at x equals a and x equals b. Part A. Solve 8 plus 2x minus x squared equals 0 and find the values of x for which this expression is positive. Part B, write down the values of a and b. Part C, find the exact values of x such that f of x equals 0. Part D, given the graph has a maximum value of 2, find the value of k. For part A, we factor 8 plus 2x minus x squared. We pull out the negative, open bracket, x squared minus 2x minus 8, close bracket, which factors as negative, open bracket, x plus 2, close bracket, times open bracket, x minus 4, close bracket. Setting this equal to 0 gives the roots x equals negative 2 and x equals 4. The expression is positive between the roots, so 8 plus 2x minus x squared is greater than 0 for negative 2 less than x less than 4. For part B, the vertical asymptotes of a logarithmic function occur when the argument equals 0, that is, at the roots we just found. So a equals negative 2 and b equals 4. For part C, f of x equals 0 means the argument of the logarithm equals 1. So 8 plus 2x minus x squared equals 1. Rearranging, x squared minus 2x minus 7 equals 0. Applying the quadratic formula, x equals 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 plus 28, all over 2. That's the square root of 32, which simplifies to 4 root 2. So x equals 1 plus or minus 2 root 2. For part D, we first find the maximum value of the argument, 8 plus 2x minus x squared. Differentiating and setting equal to 0, 2 minus 2x equals 0, giving x equals 1. Substituting 8 plus 2 minus 1 equals 9. Since the maximum of f is 2, we have log base k of 9 equals 2. This means k squared equals 9, so k equals 3, since k must be greater than 1. Follow Think Math for more IB math. Links below.